Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some deep fried plantains, and it's going to be a plantain boat. Now I do have a video on my channel up where I made plantain boat, but last time I baked the plantain and I used saltfish for the filling, and this time I'm going to use ground beef. So I'm going to get into the ingredients. Here I have 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I have 2 tablespoons of my green seasoning, 1 adobo cube or Maggie cube, whichever one that you have. Here I have half a cup of tomato sauce. Here I have some ground beef. I'm going to be using some paprika. Here I have my green seasonings. I have parsley, half of a yellow onion, red, green, yellow bell peppers, some green onions, and I have 4 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna start the recipe. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is peel the plantains. Now I usually start by cutting off the head and the tail area. Then I do a line. Anywhere that you see one of these ridges, you can just do a line on the side of it. You're going in about 1/2 inch. And then as it's ripe, it's very easy to peel. So that's what I'm doing here. Just peel off the skin. And here you have it. Now I am going to place a cut about, I'm not starting at the end. I'm gonna start here. And the cut is about 1 to 1.5 inches, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna do that for the other 2, and I'll be right back. Okay, so all the pieces of plantain have been cleaned and cut. And I'm going to start by putting them into the hot oil to deep fry. Okay, I'm going to start putting the plantains in. Just allow it to fry until it's brown enough for you, and I'm just going to flip it on the other side after. So that should be between 5 and 10 minutes. So as usual, I'm going to be starting with my onions. And let it saute for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to go with my garlic and the rest of my seasoning. I'm going with my garlic. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my beef. Now I'm gonna saute it until it's brown. And I'll be right back. Next, I'm gonna go in with my black pepper. My bell peppers. And my green onions. I'm gonna save the parsley for last for garnishing. Next, I'm going in with my green seasoning. And my edible. I'm going in with my paprika. And then my tomato. Okay, so this is the ground beef so far. It is looking good, smelling good. And it's just about done. I did leave it covered for about 15 minutes. And I did add about half a cup of water. Now the water has pretty much dried down because I do not need that liquid as it's going in plantain. Because you don't want a soggy plantain. Nobody wants soggy plantain. So next we're gonna start the stuffing. Okay, so I'm gonna start stuffing them now. So here you have it, guys. These are my deep fried plantain boats. Now I did top it off with some corn and some mozzarella cheese, which further enhanced the taste. And I am loving it. My family loved it. I served it with some salad. Thanks again for watching, and see you in my next video.